Breaking: plane, Black Hawk helicopter crash into Potomac River after colliding. This YouTube video covers a serious incident that occurred in Washington, D.C., where an American Airlines regional jet, operating as Flight 5342 from Wichita, Kansas, collided midair with a Sikorsky H-60 Black Hawk helicopter. Both aircraft reportedly went down into the icy Potomac River during their approach to Reagan National Airport around 9 p.m. local time. As rescue operations commenced, the immediate area around the airport was filled with police, fire, and emergency medical services (EMS) personnel, creating a large-scale emergency response. Reagan National Airport was subsequently shut down due to the incident, which required extensive cooperation from multiple agencies in D.C. and surrounding areas for rescue efforts. The video also features insights from NBC News senior correspondent.
New video of the mid-air collision involving American Airlines Flight 5342 and a U.S. Army Black Hawk helicopter over Washington, D.C. At least 19 bodies have been found after the American Airlines jet crashed into the Potomac River just seconds before it was supposed to land at Reagan National Airport from Wichita. 264 people were on board and 3 Army members were aboard the Sikorsky H-60 Black Hawk, which appeared to be flying dark based on multiple video angles. Divers have had trouble in the recovery mission because the AA jet broke in two and is sitting in 7 feet of water, bobbing up and down, so it's not very stable. Contrary to initial local reports from NBC Washington, no survivors as of now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.